Alright, so we are going to meet this owner operator that wants me to do his fund activation on his truck, a Cascadia. It's my first time meeting him. I haven't told him that I'm gonna be doing a video, so I wanna see his reaction. He is right here in the Flying J in Fontana. Yeah, it says 3564 truck number. Okay, he's right there. I see.
Right, he's over there.
Yeah. 3564, that's his truck number. So he sent me a picture right here. He's coming right.
How you doing, boss?
Hey, how you doing?
Finally here. Nice to meet you. I watched your YouTube like last couple of years, man.
Yeah.
I learned a lot of stuff from you.
How long you been watching my videos?
Like 4 years.
Oh yeah? Man,
man.
I didn't know.
I do my oil change, I do my own oil dryer, I do a lot of stuff because of you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Alright, so what's the best video you like from mine?
I like the oil change one.
Oh yeah, you like that one?
DD15.
Yeah, that's a pretty easy, right?
Yeah. That's why I started doing my own oil change, saving money.
That's good.
Yeah.
It is not about actually saving the money, because money you want to spend it anyway.
Learning, yeah.
It is actually then you can have ways how to prevent problems in the future.
Yeah.
You don't have to just rely on someone and is going to repair it.
Yeah.
I mean, if you are over the road, there is no mechanics. It is just you. So
Yeah, you have to do yourself.
that's right. It's important. And you've been an owner operator, right?
Yeah.
And before you were a driver.
Yes.
Before, when you were driving, were you doing all this?
No. I always call it road service.
That you see now, and you know what? I've been seeing that, and most of the drivers do that. Whenever they're driving, they don't care, but whenever they're operators, they do whatever it takes to save money, right?
Yes.
Because before you didn't care, right?
Yeah, I didn't care. I could drive.
And if you broke, okay, you broke.
Yeah, I called the owner. I said fix it.
Yeah, you
Road
see.
service.
So you guys gotta be better on that, you know. So let's do this. This will be quick. This is a quick process. I want to charge you some money just to give you clear. I won't say that much right now, but I will tell you later. The thing is, like, nobody will do a job better than yourself. And if you are dedicated with your equipment, you have to understand, and sometimes you have to pay extra. And if you go to the Speedco and places like that, I don't say that those places are bad. It is just that they have too many trucks to work on, and they have to be fast. So I mean, always they're gonna have something. Yeah, it is not about what they do. It is about how much stuff they have to do. So you have to keep that in mind, you know. So just have that in mind, because if you go to the quick places like that, that's going to be a problem. So okay, let's see over here. Okay, I will give you one price.
Okay.
Do you want me to change something else?
Like what?
I don't know, speed or something?
Yeah. Check like the horsepower.
Okay.
I never check like, and then like, you know, the reason I'm putting the switch, because when I'm going up hills, even if I'm empty,
It overheats?
It always goes like 230, 240, then it comes back.
Okay, so you have high power. So this truck is a 506, 500 horsepower, which is good. I mean, like, you can decrease it, but you cannot increase it.
Cannot increase it?
No, it's 500 horsepower.
Oh.
So on the speed, your speed limit, you are, man, you're gonna die. 88.
Yeah, but on the speed, I just don't pass.
His speed is 88 miles per hour.
But I don't go over 7.
That's what everybody says, right?
On the cruise control, because
let me see how you cruise control here.
Because when you are over
87, your cruise control is 87 maximum.
No, but I don't go the maximum. I just put it on 7.
Do you believe that? I think you
No,
believe.
because my insurance, if I get a ticket, it will go up since I'm an operator.
And before, when you were a driver, you didn't care, right?
Yeah. But now you can't speed because insurance will charge you a lot of money.
Okay, nothing else to change, right?
What else can I change?
I mean, like, I don't know, you want something.
Performance, like
There is no performance-wise. Everything is disabled here for that. Let me see. Shutdowns. You don't have shutdowns. Not shutdowns. You everything. I mean, you have a PTO. Let me see the PTO. How is it? 900. Yeah.
The ratio going uphill. So
No, that's just horsepower.
differential. That's horsepower.
No, that's something that, I mean, you got 13 speed, so that's good, you know. So that's just the rating. I mean, there is nothing else to change over here. Pretty much it's just everything cool. I was gonna give you a good walk through the computer and to tell you how your truck looks like to me.
Condition,
Do you have a DPF delete?
No.
That's good.
No, I never delete. I don't take chances.
Okay.
I always shut down. Like even right now when it starts,
Yeah.
I just open my windows and I shut down. I walk around. I just.
Let's see. You have a password. Yeah, it works.
No password, eh?
No, it has a password,
Oh, okay.
but it works.
Usually 000.
Yeah.
No, I know a lot of people who delete it, but it's not good.
Okay, so right now we're gonna test it and see how it works. That's all we have to do. See now the it passed. That means then the switch was successfully upgraded.
Oh, it's working?
Yeah. So the last thing to do is to test the start the engine. So now it is off. So to hear it, you actually have to rev it. Otherwise, you won't hear it. So when I activate it, now it's on. And turn it off. It takes a couple seconds, 20 seconds. Now it's off. All right, that's pretty much all.
I can shut down anytime I want.
Yeah, you can turn it on normally. Computer knows.
Yeah.
The computer will know. Yeah. Can you hear it? And turn it off. Eventually will come off. I mean, the computer knows now that the fan is getting activated and when the fan is getting deactivated. So that way, it gives you some extra power when it's needed.
Is it gonna tell you if there's any water pump leak or something?
No, let's see. We'll see what kind of codes you had over here, just to give you a walkthrough how I see it, just in a look like this. So it looks like you had a fuel filter, then you need to replace it. Yeah. Don't wait until this warning happens.
Okay.
Don't wait.
Mistake,
Yeah. So over here you have the fuel filter. This is the percentage.
Yeah.
12%. See right now. So don't wait until that warning comes because that's not good.
So when it's like 100%, then warning comes on. Right?
Yeah. So you have that code over there. Don't wait until that. You have low coolant. That's normal. So you probably something leaking or something. And this one, ultimate is idle. That is just whatever. I mean, that's not. Yeah, that's not a big deal. So yeah, everything looks green. See over here, everything looks green. So that means the system is working well.
Okay. Even the DPF.
Yeah, everything. You don't have nothing. You had a condition too for the DPF over here on the 19th, and you did a regen.
Yeah.
You did a regen, right?
I did regen almost.
Like 2 weeks, 1 week.
And then it cut off.
Yeah, and the light went away.
No, I turned it back on and then it quit now.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but you have that. So that's normal when you idle or something.
That's to show if I need to change the DPF.
Yeah, let me see how your DPF is right now. Your DPF is at 80%, which means then we'll need change soon.
That's the 78%. Oh, 80%.
80%, this one right here. So it's at 80%.
So that means like 2 big filters need to be
Get to clean it. It will give you a code.
Okay. You guys clean?
Yeah, I don't actually clean it. I send it to a place.
Send to someone.
Yeah.
How much does it cost?
That's like a $1,000 bucks.
Process.
Yeah,
So you
with
send to
everything.
someone, they
Yeah,
clean, you put it back on.
yeah, with
Then
everything.
it goes to zero.
It was. I mean, you have to reset it with the computer.
Okay. Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
You don't watch that when you do it.
yeah,
You do it.
and that's it.
So how long do I have for the 80%?
80%. That depends on how many hours of idling and driving and everything. Everything combined.
Couple of months.
Yeah, I don't know. Like probably like 1 year.
1 year.
Yeah, 1 year, something like that. It depends. It is not just like for the time. It's mostly how you drive it.
Yeah, I will come and do this. If you have the time.
All right, that's pretty much it. You got your truck set it up with the fan, and
How much does it cost the water pump?
the water pump for this one, because this is a 15, right? This is a 15. This one will cost
16.
Okay, so it's pretty much the same. So this one is gonna cost around like $600.
I went to Bakersfield, the guy told me like 780.
Yeah, I mean just the water pump.
Yeah, plus the car for like.
Yeah, the core is like 400. So
How long it takes to fix it?
like 3 hours, 4 hours. That's pretty much like a $1,000 in total with everything. With and plus if you
About the air compressor.
air compressor,
Engine air compressor.
yeah, that is like a
See, it's changing.
$800 a piece. The piece and plus the labor is super hard, so that's like a 700. Yeah, so that's like a 1,500 to replace it.
How long it takes? 1 day?
Probably, depending on the mechanic's skill. But it's 1 day maximum.
Give me a schedule for water. If you have a time. I mean air compressor.
We'll see, but anyway, you got what you needed right now.
Yeah, I got it.
So your truck is still running fine. It doesn't have that many miles. Wow, you got like 700. 700,000 miles. I thought it has less than 700,000 miles because it's running good. It runs good actually.
I bought like 2018.
Yeah, but it has very high mileage to be running this good.
When I bought like 460,000 miles.
Oh, okay. So you put like almost 500,000 miles.
FedEx, so they have to run teams.
And you don't run teams.
Eh?
You don't run
I
teams.
don't run teams. That's
You run
why-
bucket as a team. See? The bucket as a team.
No, that one I bought it for a change, you know. Yeah, that's not the normal city.
When you're a driver, you don't keep anything like that, right?
Yeah, it's always clean, huh?
But now another player, what else do you have in your truck? What else do you have in your truck as a part? I mean,
No, but nothing.
nothing else. It's just that.
Yeah.
You don't have like fuses, like something else like that.
Uses?
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of
You have hoses and all.
everything.
You have everything in here.
I even wanted like set up, you know, I saw you using the air tank for air tube.
Oh yeah.
The air tank for the
Oh, you wanna use the air tanks as a air?
Yeah, but I could not do it. I bought a lot of stuff and I couldn't figure it out. I don't have the connection, you know.
Yeah. See how much stuff you do as an owner operator.
Yeah. I bought the hoses is here. And then I buy a couple of connections, but it doesn't fit, you know. A lot of stuff for spare, you know. In case I want to do my own, you know. I want to change.
Oh man, you have so much in this cook. But your truck is running fine to be these old. I mean, these minimals still running fine. I get that. So what I want to do right now, I want to reset your fuel filter.
Oh.
So it goes back to 0. All right. So now you have 0 here.
Okay. So I don't have to wait until it goes.
Yeah. Don't wait until it goes. I mean, like how long?
I change it up?
I mean, when do you do the oil change? I mean, how long do you do the oil change?
Depends. One time I went all the way up to 30,000. But
Yeah.
recently I did like 15,000.
Yeah, that's okay. But you don't replace the fuel filters.
Last time I didn't do it.
But
I
when?
didn't do the fuel filter for 2 oil change. That's why it went high.
So you were 30,000 miles.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And then you almost.
But anyway, it is good. So I want to put everything back together because you got a big mess over here. Yeah, but you got everything running now. You can use the fan before going to the hill. You activate the fan, not when you are on the hill. Yeah. Yeah.
Because it doesn't start until it doesn't kick in and
No.
40. But that time it's too hot, you know.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I just go slow, you know. I never speed up.
Just do that, okay?
Thanks, man.
I'm gonna put everything back together here, and you're good to go. Whenever I go to different states, Arizona, New Mexico, I always applying J. Not because I stay here, it's just because of the dentist. I eat at the dentist mostly. Okay.
Thanks a lot, man.
I will. You will see yourself on the videos then.
I can't wait. I told my friend to watch, you know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. He wants to buy the Switch also. It's like same truck, so maybe I'll contact you so you could do that.
Yeah, okay.
If this doesn't work also, you know?
Yeah, it has to have empty places where to put it on.
Yeah.
But anyway.
Thanks, man.
Okay. They're getting too close to me right now, these trucks. Okay, so that was it. A happy viewer. He's a subscriber as well of my channel. He says he's been watching my video for 4 years. I am very impressed on that because that's a lot of time. And I got to meet him today, and I got to do what he wanted to do, so that's important. And I don't know why this guy is watching me like that.
Yeah, I know, he's like looking like really hard.
Yeah, he's like really hard looking at me. I think he recognized my face probably. That's why. Yeah, I gotta run right now, otherwise he's gonna stop in front of me. Yeah, so I got to do what he wanted to do. I got to meet him, and now he's happy. So that's the way it gotta be. Probably next time I wanna meet you too. Just be patient and trying to meet each at a time, because I have a lot of stuff to do. Right now it's a Sunday, and it's like it's 5:39 right now, and on Sunday that's the only time I had a chance to do this. So you have to understand why I cannot do it. If you contact me directly and you want to do it right away, so that's how I want to be able to do it. So till the next video, you're gonna have more information. So stay tuned on my channel, like the video, it's important, and share it, subscribe, important as well. So I guess this is all I have for you right now. So I'm just gonna go home, rest, because tomorrow I have to keep working. Thank you.